Alright guys, so I just want to come on here and do a quick unwrapping and review on my new Cheech Chong metal trays. Super cool thing to have. Let me go ahead and show them to you. So take this one out. This is the lid and it's actually magnetic. So I thought that was kind of cool. Took it out of here. Look at that. Really good quality. And then this is the actual tray itself. What's really cool is that it's double-sided, right? So there's graphics on both sides. You can put this like on your coffee table. You can store snacks in here. You can store whatever you want in here. And then literally seal it after, like so. You can see nothing's gonna come out. So that's really nice. Like I said, you can use this to store just about anything you like. You could take this on the go. So if you're looking for something like to kind of like decorate the home, add something funny to it, to your room, I think this would add a great quality to it. Highly recommend. Definitely a 10 out of 10.